Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's beautiful look is going to be using Juvia's Place, which I absolutely love their palettes, and this is the Tribe. I just love this is my favorite palette out of all of them that I have currently. This is my favorite one thus far. I love it. I love. But if you want to know how to achieve this beautiful look, don't hate, just keep on watching, guys. And don't forget to subscribe, and of course, hit that notification bell so that you are informed when I do new videos. Alright, so the first color I'm going to use, it's actually from my neutral palette, and I'm going to use that white one because this palette does not have a highlighter color. I hate palettes that either don't have a highlight color and a mirror. Alright, now that we took care of that, so the next color we're going to use is called Oromo. It's matte. It's my bad. No, it's not. It is called Masai. This nice lime green. Masai. I don't know where they come up with these colors. I'm going to investigate. I don't know if it's African or what, and if it is, what country, but Masai. That's gonna go right like on the brow bone. That's also, well, that's a matte color. You know, I just went on their website, so they're coming out with foundations, 42 shades, and they also have a new palette, or at least it's new to me. Trying to keep up with them. I have like all their palettes. I just realized the other day when I went in through my makeup chest, I have like 1 or 2 palettes, 3 I haven't done any videos on, so be on the lookout for those. Alright, and then the next color is going to be Oromo, which is orange. That right there. That's also matte, and that's actually going to go like right in between the brow bone, like over the green, but I don't want to cover that green. You know what I mean? I just want to leave a hint of that color. So let me... Alright, let's come here. So we're gonna go like right there. You can say like right in the socket. Alright, so next, now we're going to begin on the inner eye. And the next color is called Koro. With a K. Koro. And this right here. And that is a gorgeous color. So within the palette, it looks like it's gold. It's actually like duochrome, because when you apply it, this is what it is here. I hate doing swatches, but so that you can see, hopefully. It's like a mint green. Isn't that pretty? Let's begin to apply it. So the next one, it's called Kurla. And it's this one right here. That one is frosted. And how can I describe the shade of it? Let me see before I put it on. This is it right there. Oh, it's like a copper. It is like a copper. You see it there? It's beautiful. It's like a copper. This is a shade that would look absolutely gorgeous on someone that has like a really deep brown skin color. They would look gorgeous. And so, you know, when I looked at this palette, I was like, I want to try all the colors on my eyelid, but I could have. But I was like, let me not OD. I can make other looks with the same palette. So though, what I did was I used this color Ashanti, which is a brown, and then I went ahead and put Chaga, which is frosted, this one right here, and this is more like a bronze, and I put it on top of that matte brown. That's what I did. So we're gonna go in, and that's not a brown, that's more like a taupe. Sorry, like a taupe. And here we go. I just love the colors in this palette. Mind you, when I received this palette, my hair was still pink and purple. I was like, seems, and I knew though that I was gonna change my color to green. I said, oh no. When I get a green, I just couldn't wait. Okie dokie. So that's that for that. And then the last color on the outer eye, it's a matte, and I love this color too. It's called Sun, S-A-N, right here. It's green, and this is like let me give you a nice little swatch here. See it right there? And there it is. It's like a forest green. Can you tell the pigmentation on this? Did I mention how much I just love this palette, guys? Alrighty, so I'm gonna finish this up really quick. I gotta have me some lunch because I'm going out. I gotta finish, you know, my face. I'm gonna do all of that off camera for the sake of time. And then we will be right back with a finished look
And I'm going to give you my 2 cents on it as well.
Guys, what's up? So this is the finished look. I did go out, and I'm actually going to go back out again. I didn't put any mascara on. I didn't put any fake lashes. It is what it is, and I'm going to stay like this. So for lipstick, this is from Sephora. Excuse me. This is their cream lip stain. I will leave the name down below. And for my highlighter, which is like in a green hue, I absolutely love it. I just got it. It's beautiful. It's from Milk Cosmetics. Their Shadow Play Blush Light. And the color is... I guess it's Blush Light. I don't know. This is it right here. It's like dual chrome. Look at that. It's, oh shit. It's so pretty. It just looks so beautiful. I mean, I have many highlighters like a mint green with this greenish hue. But for some reason, this one, when I apply it, it's the only one that I have also that's pressed. It's just different. And I loved it. Anywho, say that I loved this freaking palette. The Tribe by Juvias. I mean, I loved it. First and foremost, I love all of the 9 colors. Cohesive. I mean, it's just beautiful. I loved it. I looked at it and I'm like, all right, so what look can I create with this palette? Because I just wanted to apply all of the colors on me. And I could have, you know, by putting some of the colors like underneath as an eyeliner, but honestly, I don't really care for eyeliner or just colors underneath my eyes. I feel it overpronounces the lines underneath, so I don't wear eyeliner at the bottom. But you can best to believe I'm going to be creating more looks with this palette. I just loved it. I love the colors. I mean, everything is just so beautifully pigmented, even from this one, which is the lightest color. And I didn't have to foil it, nor even cut the crease to like have the color pronounce. I just love this palette. I really, really, truly did. And I guess I also want to say that I'm in love with it. I do like greens. Greens tend to look good on me as well. But it's totally worth it. I will be doing more looks. I have about 3-4 more palettes from them that I haven't created any looks. And I love all of Juvia's I love all of their eyeshadow palettes, and the quality and the price. I mean, they're cheap. They're not very expensive. But anywho, yeah. If you haven't already done so, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and of course, you know, hit that notification button as well. And as always, what else can I say? Don't forget to unleash the makeup horn inside of you. Ciao, guys.